Yeah, good afternoon. I'm Earl Wotton. I'm the curator of the museum here. Today we're working on the new Royal Canadian Armoured Corps history demonstration. We've got a number of panels that have been hung up on the wall, and it tells the story of the Armoured Corps from the first days of the Armoured Corps in Canada through to today, the Afghanistan mission that was just completed. Our display was created for us by my assistant back here, and I'd like to introduce Dumaresq, who is our Dumaresq de Pencier, who has managed this thing and has done a lot of the work on it, most of the research, and I'd like to have him say something.
Hi everybody, I'm Dumaresq de Pencier. I'm the Ontario Regiment Museum's exhibit coordinator. We've been working on Worthy, our history of the Royal Canadian Armoured Corps, for going on about a year now. It started in the spring of 2020, and it covers the entire history of the Canadian Armoured Corps from give or take the start of the First World War up to roughly 2019 or so. This has been a huge project. We've drawn material from archives all across the country, and with the help of any number of people from any number of different museums and regiments and our excellent graphic designer, Bruce Chapman, we've put together a really freaking awesome exhibit about the history of tanks, armor, military vehicles of all kinds in Canadian service throughout the years. So we're really excited to have it open, and we're really excited for people to come see it when we can finally reopen. So stay tuned.